Bow to your partner and bow to your corner. Wave to the folks across the hall and join hands and circle left, circling. On the way back, you're going wrong. Go right, turn right. When you get back home, into the center and back out. And into the center with a great big shout. Square your set, couple one. Here you go. Couple one. Go up, down, down, and you pick up the three. You pull them back down. Push them on back. Set them back down. And jet go left, lady go right. Go back home, meet your partner, and do-si-do each other. On the corner, element left your corner, element right your partner. Do-si-do your corner.